Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix beko dishwasher error code E2. If you want to fix beko dishwasher error E2, then you will need to consider this thing. Water shortage. An E2 error code signal that your dishwasher is getting too little water to function effectively. This could be caused by a blocked water inlet filter, a leak under the machine or faulty control board. Beko dishwasher show E2 drainage work, but sensor is falling. If you have this problem, then here in the down people provide their opinion regarding this. These sensors are not really sensitive and can go off for a lot of reasons. For instance, if there are a lot of suds in the wash, the soap itself can trigger them. You can try repositioning it slightly if possible. Give the washer a lot of time to dry thoroughly before using it again. Use less soap, but yeah, these things are the worst and cause more headache than the solvent. So we'll need to consider this thing. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.